I feel like jerk chicken tonight, jerk chicken tonight. So it's quite strong and it gives you like a better result.
Mam and Lamien Doris.
Hello guys, welcome to Amuna Foods. Today I just want to show you the jerk seasoning that I use for my cooking. This one is written jerk seasoning, but it's really not that strong. So if you want it to be very, very strong, then you have to use a lot of it. But I find that the taste actually is quite strong and it gives you like a better result. So this is what I also use, but this is still good for the kitchen. You keep it in your cupboard. I just want to show you quickly the chicken that I'm going to use for my jerk. I'm going to make jerk. I feel like jerk chicken tonight, jerk chicken tonight. So chicken legs. I just bought 2 because we are a large family, so we want to eat enough. You can actually use even other, portions of chicken. It doesn't have to be chicken legs. It can be chicken drumstick or the thigh, chicken pieces, whichever really you desire to eat. Jerk chicken is jerk chicken, regardless. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and also comment, share, and give us a like. God bless you. We love you. Bye-bye.
Oh,